In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Woocommerce from WordPress. First thing you need to do is to head over to wordpress.com, click onto this Get Started right here in order to create an account, or click onto this login option right here if you already have an account that you already have. So from in there, you can just log in into your account if you would want. So on my case, here is my actual WordPress. Now, as you have noticed, my WordPress have WooCommerce right here. So this means that I have WooCommerce installed. So if I want to actually delete it, what I can do is I can scroll down and then from in there, head over to the plugins, click on the installed plugins, and then it will show you in here all of the plugins that you have installed so far. So for this case, just scroll down and then locate WooCommerce. Here is our WooCommerce right here. What we can do is we can head over and then click onto this deactivate option right here. So when you click onto this deactivate, this will actually deactivate the actual plan. As you can see, WooCommerce has been removed into this left sidebar that we have. One more, you can already scroll down, and in here you will now see the delete option from there. So in this part, just head over and then delete it if you would want. So do take note that if you want to delete it, you need to make sure that you want to. Because once you've done that, the things that you have added with WooCommerce that you have added using your WordPress will be removed as well. So think thoroughly if you still want to delete it or what. Alternatively, you can also just click on this and click on bulk actions. And then from in there, you can activate, deactivate, and delete it as well in here. So that's how you delete WooCommerce from WordPress. Hope we helped.